Children, this is sixth lecture PU of electrochemistry, and already you have seen three videos, concept videos of electrochemical series. This is the fourth video. So basically here, what I am going to display to you is something really amazing. So this will be to compare the relative oxidation and reducing powers of various metals. Now the first important point here is, see, hydrogen basically it is SRP value of hydrogen is 0 volt. This is fixed by IUPAC as a reference standard. Okay, good. Now the next important point is, if standard reduction potential of a metal electrode is greater than 0, that means its reduced form, which means metal in the elemental state, that is a reduced form, is more stable compared to hydrogen gas. Very important conclusion. In the other words, if the metal has its such kind of metals whose metal electrode SRP value is more than 0, it can undergo reductions easily. Such metal electrode can undergo reduction easily. So where this will happen? This will happen at cathode. So therefore we can say that such metals are strong oxidizing agents. What is the reason? Because a strong oxidizing agent will undergo reduction easily. Got it? Great. Next important point is the reverse of point 2. If a metal electrode has negative SRP value, then we can say hydrogen gas is more stable than reduced form of the metal. In the other words, we can say that the metals are, this kind of metals are less easily reduced. Therefore, such metals are weak oxidizing agents. Okay. Now if you see the electrochemical series, lithium has large negative SRP, or we can say least positive SRP value. That means lithium as a metal has large standard oxidation potential. Therefore, we can say lithium can be oxidized very easily. In the other words, we can say lithium is most powerful reducing agent in electrochemical series. Therefore, fluorine, if you see, on the other hand, has large positive SRP value, which means that fluorine has least value of SOP. It has least value of SOP. Least value of SOP, which means that it can undergo reduction easily. It can undergo reduction very easily. Therefore, fluorine is the most powerful oxidizing agent in electrochemical series. So the 4 videos will take you to solve more plenty amount of questions you can solve, children. This is very, very important. Okay, fine. Thank you.